Google just published the Open Knowledge format. It's a standard way to hand an AI agent your knowledge, not your whole site, stuffed into its context, but a map it can read and pull exactly what it needs from. It's just markdown files in a folder. The hard part is producing a valid one from a live site, keeping it in sync and serving it. AEO God Mode does all of that for you. Here's the idea that makes it work. Instead of one giant page, each unit of knowledge is its own small file, with a little header that says what it is. A type, a title, a one-line description, the source URL, tags, and a timestamp. An agent reads those headers, decides which 2 or 3 files answer the question in front of it, and pulls only those. Lean, precise, no context window bloat. AEO God Mode turns every published post, page, and custom type into one of these concept files. It fills in the headers from your real metadata, and it rewrites the links between your pages into links between concepts. So the bundle isn't just a pile of files, it's a graph. It writes the 2 reserved files the spec needs, an index and a change log, and it checks the whole thing conforms to version 0.1. And you can see it. Your concepts as nodes, the links between them as edges, sized by how connected each one is. It's the first honest picture of how your site's knowledge actually fits together, and which pages are the hubs everything else leans on. The bundle is served live at your domain/OKF, the path agents read, and you can download the whole thing as a portable zip to ship anywhere. It regenerates whenever you publish or update, and because it's public by design, you stay in control. You publish the knowledge you already share, and you keep the proprietary stuff behind your own door. This standard is new, which is exactly why it's worth doing now. The sites that are already structured and readable, when agents go looking, will be the ones that get used. Being the WordPress site that already serves a clean OKF bundle is a head start that costs you 1 click. The OKF publisher is free in AEO God Mode. Search AEO God Mode under Add New Plugins, install it, hit Generate, and your site is serving a standards-based knowledge bundle for AI agents at /OKF. No card, no trial. Be early at aeogodmode.io.